Welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you found this series. We explore the right of disposition, which is the legal right to control what happens to your body after death, and how to make sure your wishes are honored clearly, respectfully, and without confusion. This episode focuses on Colorado, a state that gives you clear authority to decide who will handle your final arrangements, but only if you make that decision in writing. In Colorado, you can choose who will make decisions about your funeral, burial, or cremation by completing a declaration instrument for final disposition. Under Colorado Revised Statute 15-19-106, you can name one person called your designated agent who has full legal authority to make decisions about your disposition of your remains. Once that declaration is signed, dated, and witnessed or notarized, your agent's authority overrides all others, including family members. This simple document gives you complete control over your legacy and protects your wishes from dispute. If you don't name a designated agent, Colorado law establishes a hierarchy for who has that authority. First, the person you appointed in your declaration. Next, your surviving spouse or civil union partner. Then your adult children, a majority if there's more than one. After that, your surviving parents. Then your adult siblings, followed by your surviving grandchildren, grandparents, and next of kin. If no one is available or willing, a court-appointed representative or public official may make the decision. This order is outlined in Colorado Revised Statute 15-19-106 and must be followed by funeral homes statewide when no written declaration exists. Timing is also important in Colorado. If a body remains unclaimed for 5 days, the county, coroner, or public administrator may authorize burial or cremation as an unclaimed body. 5 days can pass fast, especially when families are separated, unprepared, or unsure of next steps. Having your written declaration in place prevents unnecessary delays or disputes. If you're estranged or no contact with family, the state's default hierarchy still applies unless you've designated someone else in writing. That means a family member you haven't spoken to in years could be the one making those decisions. By completing a declaration instrument for final disposition, you protect your peace and ensure your chosen person carries out your wishes exactly as you intended. Colorado law doesn't specifically address chosen names or gender identity in its disposition statutes. If you go by a chosen name or your gender identity differs from your legal records, include that information clearly in your written declaration. Note your preferred name, pronouns, and how you want to be represented. Give copies to your agent and your funeral home to ensure your identity and memory are honored your way. Before we close, let's talk about a few common mistakes people make when it comes to final arrangements in Colorado. First, assuming your will covers funeral decisions. It doesn't. A will is often reviewed after your services are already complete. Second, forgetting to witness or have notarization. Without that step, your declaration may not be valid. Third, not updating your form after major life changes, marriage, divorce, or loss of contact with your designated agent can all create confusion if you don't revise your document. Avoiding these mistakes ensures your final wishes are carried out smoothly, respectfully, and without legal complications. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you understand how Colorado handles the right of disposition and why documentation is such an important part of protecting your peace and your legacy. If this information helped you, share it with your family, friends, or anyone living in Colorado who might not know their rights. Conversations like this bring awareness, empowerment, and comfort before the time comes to act. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more state-by-state episodes in this series. And check out the rest of my Right of Disposition playlist to learn how these laws differ across the country. I'm Bella, but this is your life, your legacy, and your choice. even after you're gone.